This is the Black Wave build. From the back there, it's got some 6374 motors using the Tramper trucks with the 3D services. It's like an angled riser pad, so you can use a standard longboard and get mountain board trucks on it. I use the Tramper, I think it's the Awesome longboard tray, and it's got a cut into that, the heat sink from the Flip Sky Vesk, and mounted that so I can get some good cooling. We've got some Superstar Tramper wheels, and it's got the 12mm axles, so it's got the large bearings. Kahuna Creations deck is pretty unique, and I liked the teardrop style with the drop down, super flexy, and I thought it would be interesting to put it in a nice powerful electric setup. It's pretty low profile, so there's plenty of ground clearance. And it's got a really nice drop on it. It's a very large, long wheelbase, so it's super cruisy.